Civil emergency message for the areas of Greenville, Maine. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Greenville Police Department. 1 hour ago, a mysterious red glow was seen glowing all over the trees. However, when a person came near the trees, the person disappeared out of nowhere. The Greenville police went to investigate, but they disappeared, along with the signal being cut off. The Public Safety and the Greenville Police Department advised residents to stay away from the trees as it is unknown whether these trees are doing so at this time. It has also been speculated that the trees might be very hot or it is something sinister. Again, remain away from the trees and do not go near them. This emergency message will repeat shortly. Again, remain away from the trees.